Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And in Windows 11, the core apps, a lot of the core apps have been really tweaked and lots of new features have been added. And one of them is really getting more and more of the features, and it's the Notepad. If you look at the Notepad today, I mean, you now have not only Copilot AI correction of text and even, composition if you want to do it. You're not good at writing, you can let, Copilot write something for you. But look at all the different, features that they've added where you can have, new things that didn't exist before. It was a very simple text editor, basically. Now it gives you a numbered list, bullet lists, so you can do one. It's like, this is pretty incredible when you look at what they added. And, not that bad, honestly, when I look at it. You can add links. You can do, let's see here, I want to add a table. It's very easy, too, to add the tables. It's like how, what do you want as a table? Say that I've got, 4 columns and 3, I want to have 4 columns and 3 rows. I just, click, and here we go. We've got the columns, we got the rows, and you just, add whatever text goes in it. Tab is on the keyboard what's going to go from cell to cell. It's surprisingly interesting to see all of this coming through. And of course, everything can be reversed, stopped. You can, whatever you want to do. There's editing features now. And look at all the information on the menus, the things that you can have. You can even, clear formatting, change things around. Yeah, it's a lot, but I think it, when you think about the fact that they removed the Windows, that there used to be that Windows text editor thing that with the Word, was it WordPad, I think it was called, which was kind of a simple, a very simple text editing software. This is, a word processor, if you want. I think they're doing somewhat a good job, but I do think that there's one thing they got to be careful, and Microsoft has a lot of problems with that, not to overdo it. They tend to bring it to a level where everybody's like, oh, this is nice. And then suddenly they add more and more and more, and it becomes cluttered and really, really bad. So we'll see. And write new. Okay. Draft in seconds with Copilot. Refine with precision. Start. What would you like to write, for example? Tech article on RAM memory, which is now super expensive. And what will it do? Service unavailable. I like that. Thank you, Microsoft. And it does say here that AI-generated content may be incorrect. So, pretty interesting. Notepad has really, really gone a long, long way since the days of just being a very simple text editor. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.